Hello friends, this is Sanjay Kumar Shah from 4th semester BTech RK University. As a part of my 4th semester final examination of Python, I made a data visualization web application using Streamlit Library. This is a library through which you can do machine learning and artificial intelligence on data. You can also use numpy, panda and matplotlib with it. In this project, I used Streamlit, numpy, pandas, matplotlib and plotly. Let me show you by running this program. You can run this program by using Streamlit run and file name. It will open your file in your default browser. So here I have to upload my file. I am choosing copy.csv file. You can see all the rows and the columns it has fetched. These are the records that is available in this copy.csv file. You can also see the graph in line chart, bar chart and pie chart. Let me choose bar chart. From this portion you can choose the column whose data you want to show. Let me see the data of active cases, and here I have to choose the country whose active case I want to see. So let me choose Andorra. Here you see the active case of Andorra has been plotted in this bar chart. I can also choose Afghanistan as another country and see the comparison. Here I can choose multiple countries and you can see the difference between that country. By using this application you can see the comparison between these two uh, charts. This is fully dynamic and functional. You can also see pie chart. Let me choose another country. Here you see that when I choose the country, it will, according to that, it will manage the graph. Here I can also see line chart. This whole project I made it only in Python. You can find all the code in GitHub. That links provided is in description.